Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you.
So fresh on the restaurant scene with the gangster lean is Coppers JA. Coppers JA has not been open for 6 months as yet, so it is pretty new, fresh face. And hello, it's a beautiful day in Kingston, Jamaica, and my name is Vanessa Williams Morgan, and this is the Morgan's Legacy, as we continue to show you all the restaurants available in Jamaica, all the most exclusive, wonderful restaurants, and also the affordable ones. This is your plug. This is the place that you want to be. So today we are heading to Coppers JA. It is my very first time here, so come along with me as I show you what is available. So upon entrance, you can see that Coppers JA has exceeded all expectation just at the entrance. As you can probably take note, on both sides there is something to experience. This is actually 2 restaurants in one. You have Coppers Cellar and Coppers Garden. On one side there is green, lush plant vegetation, and on the other side it's more of a rustic feel. Hi.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
My name is Vanessa Williams Morgan, and we have a reservation for.
Okay.
So immediately upon entrance, we were greeted by the team of hostess, and my heart melts for customer service and when persons appreciate your business. So I was really glad for that. This is a look at the garden area. As you can see, as I said before, there are 2 sections, the Coppers Cellar and the Coppers Garden. We opted to stay outside. We wanted to be out in the fresh air, especially the fact that we have the kids with us. You can see my son acting up in the background. Well, this is what outside looks like. It's really good that they maintain this theme of green and brown, and it's just nature. It's just rustic, like, yet very elegant and very classy. Yes, love this. There's also the inside area, and this is what the inside area looks like. There is a bar there. You can sit at the bar and have a drink. If you're not planning to have dinner, you can sit at the bar and just have a drink, just a little cool out. And then I'm gonna take a little glance at what the inside looks like. So this is actually Coppers Cellar, and this is what inside looks like. Now look at this. Oh my god, it is so elegant, it is so breathtaking. There is actually a little wine rack there because you can pair your dinner, your lunch, your brunch with whatever wine that goes along with it. They will help you with that. There is artwork on the walls, both local and international artists, might I add. It is beautiful, guys. I'm telling you, this video don't do the people them no justice. The video don't do them no justice. Well, onto what we came here for. Let's go ahead and check out the menu. So this is what the menu looks like. You can find it online. You can find it on their official website, and you can check out it for yourself and kind of get a pre-idea of what you would want to order. For our appetizer, we got the calamari, we also got the jerk chicken pasta, and we got, I think it is the vegetable spring roll. Yes, it's definitely the vegetable spring roll. So that's the calamari, jerk chicken pasta, and the vegetable spring roll. By this time the evening start get darker, so you can't really see on the plate that much, but I am going to show you some pictures so you can get a better look at what we had to eat. So yes, this is the jerk chicken taco, and it comes with a nice little dipping sauce. This is the calamari, and my brother getting down in the calamari. My son also did enjoy a little taste of it. He had mostly the vegetable spring roll. It was wonderful. So this is again is what the taco looks like. This is the calamari, and then this is the vegetable spring roll. Everything was exquisite. This is my mother's first bite of the calamari. I was a little shocked. I was expecting like her to have a different reaction because she really like tried weird things like this, but it was very, very, very good. My son was like, "Grandma, you're eating Squidward." But it was really good. It was really good. We did enjoy our appetizer, and then it's my turn to take a little bite out of that calamari. Come ahead, Squidward, let's do this. Point to note that the food is being served on some slates. I've never seen that before. That's very unique, right? Okay, so guys, so this is the aftermath of the appetizer. Sorry, this is the aftermath of the appetizer. My husband and my brother got this seafood soup of the day, and they said it was good. They did enjoy it also. Again, I do not eat seafood like that, so I could not partake. It's now on to the entrees. Okay.
Salmon on the rice, right?
Yes.
This is the side for the tikka.
So this bud like tone.
Yes, man. Birthday girl. Warm up in it.
Look at that space in Asia. I need more space.
Yes.
Tikka here for you, sir.
No sacrifice. This turn up and turn over for you. What is going on indeed? No, this is all about me. Mama?
It's all about me. I think I love it.
No, where you go?
Right here? Uh-huh. Whoa.
And the panko chicken.
Mm-hmm. Oh my God. Tones. Yes. Yes. Adrian.
Thank you.
Adrian are coming the good things there.
Aye.
The wedges now. The last of the wedges and it's overdone, so I wouldn't want to serve it as is.
Okay. No, it's okay. So this is a quick glance of my plate. I got the sticky Japanese pork belly with plantain tostones. It was right. Look at that. Look at the crispness. I'm so sorry that we actually went in the night, so you could not get the chance to actually see it. A better view of the food, but it was really beautiful. The presentation was really good. My son got the panko chicken sandwich. It was a huge sandwich. My husband got the masala and naan. That took me by surprise. I've never had that before. It was really good also. My mother got the meat lovers special, which is actually 4 different type of meat. It was filet mignon, it was chicken, it was pork, it was everything. For my brother, he did get the salmon and basmati rice. He said that he did enjoy that also. It was well cooked, not overcooked at all. You know, salmon kind of easy to spoil. Now look at the tenderness. It was really, really, really good. I guess everybody did enjoy what they had to eat, and of course, me pick it a little lighter for everybody plate. Alright, so for the pork, it was a little, crispy on the outside. The skin was really crispy, but as you cut into it, it was just moisture. It was really good. It was just moist. You can taste the season, the flavor. It was just oozing in your mouth. I think they did an absolutely amazing job. This is a restaurant that caters to different cuisines all around the world. It's not just Jamaican food. You can have an experience of Mediterranean food. Sorry, I'm not pronouncing that right. Here I am. This is actually what we call it, chocho in Jamaica. Listen, I best chocho me ever have. Nah lie, hands down, best chocho ever. Now we got our drink on. The guys got daiquiri. Ralston and I got the martini, and Ralston got a Mexican mule. Again, I said this restaurant caters for everything, every single thing. Now this is what the aftermath of our entree looks like. You can see we barely did tofu. We couldn't eat half the food. It was a lot. It was a lot. The serving size is great. And guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, give us a like, subscribe and follow us on this journey. Help us to get to 5k. 10 is a must after that, not true? So help us along the way and share with your friends. Okay guys, so point to note also is that the music is really nice jazz, like some really smooth jazz, no loud music, now play. See my Madala enjoy it. I'm telling you guys, this is a real nice, classy, elegant place. Individual meal. So now we're gonna give you guys our ratings. So out of 10 I am going to say that I did enjoy my food. It was a straight 10 for me. Right, what am I have again? For the thing that I had pork belly. I had the pork belly. Yeah, pork belly, Japanese pork belly.
That tastes like belly.
That tastes like what? Okay, so alright, so would you guys recommend this restaurant to anybody?
100%. To everybody.
To everybody. 100%. Wait, so we get the camera. Up, 100%.
The ambience is not that, but the food is good. I think the food is good.
You didn't think the ambience was great? The ambience was good to me. I think the ambience was great. The music was nice
because I love the outside done. Well, the table could have a little bit, more.
Table could have bigger.
Table and chair them could have bigger.
Yeah.
Because
that's true.
Cushion thing, kind of squeeze on the thing.
Oh, okay.
But the food was that's the most important.
But I think the food was really good. The food is bomb. The food off the chain. The food
11
is
out of 10.
11 out of 10. 11 out of 10, the man say. I'm not gonna lie, guys. If you have never been to Coppers, it is worth the visit. Worth the visit. There's nothing else I can say more than worth the visit. It was a really wonderful experience. As I said, no, this is a really noisy vlog because I'm whole heap away. But it was, we actually put some thought into it because it's my mother's birthday and we wanted to do something very special for her. Yes. And we did have fun. Did you enjoy your birthday?
Yes, I did.
Okay. And
Of 4 different something I myself played.
oh god.
Pork, chicken, and again,
A combo.
and beef.
I'm gonna be an original combo boss. Filet mignon. Alright, so guys, if you're new to this channel, ensure that you like, share and subscribe. And if you want to see more wonderful restaurants in Jamaica that you can visit, this is the channel, this is your plug, this is the place to be. As I said, we are up and across Jamaica and we'll be showing you all the wonderful places that you can eat. This is a family place, but it's also a nice little date night setting. Like you and your person can come here and sit down and relax and have a wonderful meal and enjoy yourself. Believe you me, this is the place to be. Coppers JA. Look it up on Instagram. I'm gonna tag their pages below. Remember to follow me on Instagram also at _dreaminggoal_.
Coppers.
Until next time guys, where are we? What did we say? Only Kappa she used to do it. What do we have to get you out? You stress me out. You stress me out. Kappa's your bad. Where's the Kappa's your bad? And the Kappa you like?
I'm silver kappa. I'm gonna gold kappa.
I'm tired. Alright guys, so again, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, where are we up into? You will not know unless you stay tuned. Oh yes, big up Adrian, customer service. Customer service, Adrian, yeah, top man, yeah, top, 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 top man. Big up yourself, Adrian, at Coppers JA. Until next time, bye.